This is why you want to make sure your furnace cabinet and everything on the furnace side of the filter is sealed up properly. That coil is 75%, if not 80 or 90% plugged with dirt that got through the front lip of the furnace. So I'm sure this gap right here is where that dirt was getting in. This thing was about an inch off the floor, and that's been sucking in dirt. And then with that plug coil and too big of a furnace, we got these major cracks here. The flue was all sooted up. Huge crack there. You can't see it there, but look at this flue over here. It's just black. The drain line was just completely black. If you see inside your 90 plus furnace vent pipe is black like that, your heat exchanger is pretty well compromised like this one.